Melissa from Buckeye Decor and Lifestyle. And this is my new puppy, Dixie. And her little brother's going to be coming next week. So my favorite things this month is talking about some of the favorite things when you get a new baby, a little fur baby, a little puppy. What are some of the things that is really helpful? And this is her first video, so she apologizes. The host of My Favorite Things is Jessica Myros. And Dixie wants to apologize. She didn't even get camera ready this morning. We'll do that a little later in the video. Show you how she gets camera ready. Because she's kind of a little diva. Yeah. But anyway, we're going to talk about those favorite things for a puppy. Some of the things I found that they didn't even have when I had a puppy 12 years ago. Because all of our dogs is 12 years old now. And this is the first puppy I've had in 12 years. So things change. Well, back then, they only had paper and disposable pads for pee pads for potty training. Guess what? They now have, which I love, is the washable ones. And they come in pretty colors. Actually, there's 4 to a pack. And they're nice pads for your kennels. So you don't have to have the paper ones. Because if you were like me, the paper ones, my puppy, all my puppies did back then was rip them to shreds. Then I found these from her breeder. They're little toys. There are 12 little toys in a bag. You get them on Amazon. And they're little toys for little ones like her. Because it's hard to find little toys anywhere for small dogs her size. It's not too big for her. And she absolutely loves them. She's already almost ate up there's a little dinosaur that isn't in this bag because she's almost ate it already. But these are wonderful if you have smaller puppies. Because it seems like in the pet store, you always find great big toys, but little ones are hard to find. Okay, we're also talking about Amazon toys. It looks like just a regular dog bone, right? Well, it's not. When you order this, you pick the size of dog. She's a medium-sized dog. She'll be between 8 and 10 pounds when she gets to be bigger. She's a little Yorkie. Actually, she's Yorkie Bichon. And her brother will be full-blood Yorkie. But it's got this that goes down inside the toy. And I don't know if you can hear it. It's a dog's heartbeat. You turn that on, put this down inside this toy when they get extremely excited or you want to go to sleep and your puppy just doesn't want to. You put this down inside this toy and put this in their cage or wherever you want them to sleep, on your lap, wherever you want them to sleep. And I just put it under her head and she soon drifts off to sleep. She's like, Mom, I don't want to go to sleep right now. It's just not, this isn't the time. Yeah. This isn't the time, is it? But anyway, this has been really nice because she's now sleeping through the night. Just like a baby, that's important. And if she gets super, super, super wound up and excited, and I want her to calm down because she gets so excited, she starts coughing and upset. So I'll turn that on and put it in her kennel. Okay, another thing I got is, which I haven't used yet, I'm just now cleaning her kennel for the first time, is 3 little puppy blankets, which will be also nice in her kennel with the pee pads. Since, you know, she's a foo-foo. She's a fluffy little girl. And her hair doesn't shed. So you have to brush it. And her hair is different than my Yorkie that passed away. His hair was, it just wasn't where it would knot up. But hers is nothing but knots if you don't brush her. So what I do, and she loves to be brushed. Here's her brush that I got. It's from Amazon. It's really nice. She loves it. She'll let me brush her all day and she'll fall asleep. And I got these, which is hair bows. And there's even hair butterflies. And these things to put in her hair. And even flowers. These were the Christmas variety. But all I do, come here, is take her hair and brush her hair up. Make sure you get all the knots out. Her hair knots up so much. I'll be glad when it's time for her first groom, because I hope her hair will stop knotting. And then these bows has rubber bands. Come here. It's our first video. We apologize. And you just put this around. And then around. I like to do it about 3 times. I always lose it. I'm learning. Come here. I can't get a hold of it. I know. You like your bow. Normally I do it in my lap. Okay, come here. Mommy, get it. And then just pull it out. And then I just brush her. But you can hear how her hair knots up. And I just brushed her last night. But it pulls all those knots out. That's one of the things I really like. Because my other Yorkie didn't knot, his hair didn't knot like this. So until she goes to the groomer, it's going to be a daily routine. Okay. These bows, I wanted to show you them better. You have stuff like this. You have stuff like this. You have stuff like this. And you have butterflies. Which I really like the butterflies. These bows, there's 100 different bows, and they were only $14. So it was a really good deal, and I think these were 12 or 14, and I think they were $1.50 a piece for these, and there's 12. That's what it was. Which is good for toys for your puppy.